Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Now, if you're like me and like to be barefoot or sandals most of the time, then I definitely have something I need to share with you. This KOHAR Naturals foot cream with eucalyptus and lavender oil is incredible. So good for hard, tired, worked feet, dry, cracked heels, any sort of like roughness on your feet. I absolutely love the fact that this has a thick consistency. For me, I want a little to go a long way, and this has definitely proven true. I think this is such a great choice for foot care, and I think we all neglect our feet a lot. This is an incredible value as well, and I know you're gonna love it just as much as I did. And that's my point of view.